In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways you can use an abalone shell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. I do a free pick a card reading on my channel every single Friday, so you don't want to miss out. Today, we are going to be talking about abalone shells. Now, I do have a video all about the magic of an abalone shell and the spiritual benefits of using an abalone shell, but today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use an abalone shell and how I use them. Now, this is one that I have here that is super dirty, and I'm actually coming out with a video very soon on how I clean my abalone shells, so stay tuned for that, but we're not doing that today. This is my personal one right here that I actually found at a thrift store, and I came home and I cleaned it, but of course I use it so much that it gets ashy and dirty really quickly. So I was so lucky to get a giant one at the thrift store, and these are kind of pricey. These are hard to find. I just feel like this was for me. This was sent to me for a reason. But if you guys are interested, I do sell abalone shells, these ones specifically, on my Etsy shop. So the ones that I'm going to be working with today, you can actually get your own on my Etsy shop and have several different options where it comes with crystals or it comes with Palo Santo or sage. So yeah, check out my website. Abalone shells. So abalone shells carry a very magical, majestic energy. They are from the water. So they are from an element that is completely just flows naturally. It's very calm flow type of an energy. So it's calming and tranquil energy. It's also very connected to the water element, which is a lot to do with our emotions and our feelings and keeping it calm. Because it's so intertwined with flow energy, it helps to calm down situations. It helps to release control, to surrender, and also to ease up emotional blocks. Abalone shells carry energies of peace, harmony, bliss, tranquility, and it adds the magical touch. And it adds the most magical touch to your work or to your ritual. Okay, the first way that I like to use abalone shells is, of course, by using it with sage or Palo Santo. So when you're cleansing or smudging your house, your wallet, your body, you can use an abalone shell to catch the ashes when you are cleansing and smudging. So what I like to do is light my sage. By the way, if you guys are interested in purchasing sage from me or even Palo Santo, I have those up in my Etsy shop too. I get a lot of questions on where I get my sage and Palo Santo. I actually have them up in my Etsy shop. So basically, you will walk around your whole house and smudge and cleanse your house, your body, your wallet, whatever you need to, and just catch the ash in the abalone shell. Another thing I like to do is leave my sage bundle burning in the shell when I'm doing readings, just to clear away the negative energy, clear away any blocks that would be preventing us from getting guidance and messages and all that stuff. You can also burn this. Keep a window open and leave this burning in your bedroom. Make sure you don't leave it unattended, but keep it burning. And abalone shell actually helps to enhance the cleansing. And right after you cleanse, you're basically creating a blank canvas, right? You're clearing everything away. So you want to make sure that the energy right after you clean everything away, the energy that's coming in, the new energy, is good energy, you know? So the abalone shell helps to bring that energy of beauty, of calmness, of tranquility, of bliss and love, and just majestic ocean energy. So you're clearing away the old and you're clearing away the bad, you're clearing away the negative, but you're also bringing in the magic, you're bringing in the positivity, you're bringing in the beauty. So that's why I love to use abalone shells when I'm burning sage or Palo Santo. Second way that I like to use abalone shells is by using a tea light candle and putting it into my abalone shell. So this is me invoking the energies of the ocean. Deities that I work with, my main ones, they are from the ocean. And so for me, abalone shells carry such a connection where I can connect with them easily and effortlessly. So I like to work with abalone shells and candles a lot. So what I will do is get a tea light candle and I will put it in my abalone shell, and I will use herbs in my tea light candle, Here I have valerian. Valerian is great for bringing peace and harmony into your home and just peace and harmony within yourself. So that peace and harmony energy is amplified by the abalone shell. And what I will do is just light my candle. That's it. So after I prepare it with the herbs and intention that I want, the abalone shell helps to carry my intentions out into wherever it needs to go to manifest. So this is something that I really like to do as well. It looks so pretty when it's lit and just sitting in your bedroom, sitting in your living room, and it's infusing that energy into your home, and then the abalone shell amplifying that energy is just so beautiful. The energy is so beautiful. So yeah, that's the second way that I like to use abalone shells. The third way that I like to use abalone shells is putting my crystals inside of it. This helps to charge my crystals with that magical ocean energy. It also helps me connect with the energies and the deities and spirit guides that reside in the ocean, and using their energy to program my crystals, to cleanse my crystals. And overall, it aesthetically looks really pretty when you put the crystals in your abalone shell. So not only that, but you're also charging them, allowing them to kind of just relax. So what I will do is pick out the crystals from my collection that I want to tap into, that I want to have that energy in my life in that moment. So here I picked out a few of my crystals. Here I have a sapphire, and then I have labradorite, which is my favorite crystal. It's the crystal of synchronicity, the crystal of magic. We have the amethyst, which is the crystal of your mind. And then we have citrine, which is the crystal of wealth, success, and happiness. We have aventurine, which is the crystal for your heart chakra and also money and material gain. We have jet, which is really great for removing negative energy. Amber, it is my favorite stone for manifestation. So we all are going to connect with crystals differently. For me, amber is extremely lucky. So that's why I always like to keep amber in my collection. And then we have a blue apatite right here, which is really good for creativity, video ideas, creation, getting inspired and motivated. And then we have red jasper, which is for the root chakra, for passion, for our heart. And so yeah, I like to keep my crystals in my abalone shell like this, whichever ones that I'm trying to connect with and whichever ones are speaking out to me. I'll put those in my abalone shell, light some candles and incense around it, maybe put it underneath the light of the full moon or the new moon, and then I'll put it back into my collection, or I'll put it under my pillow or put it around the house wherever I want to. It's like having conversations and connecting with your crystals even more. You get to feel them out, you get to get a feel for their energy, you get to communicate with them, build connections with them, and I feel like abalone shells kind of open up that pathway too. Kind of lets you let the walls down and the guard down so that you can communicate with your crystals. So these are 3 ways you can use an abalone shell. I do have a few more. If you guys are interested for a part 2, then leave me a comment down below, like this video, and I can do a part 2. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, if you guys want to purchase your own abalone shell like this one, you can head over to my Etsy shop, and I have a few over there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you really, really soon.